dead. What'd you do that for? When he just run out of the fucking road? What a knobhead. Why did he do that? Why, man? Poor little squirrel. Did that taxi just stop at that red light? Oh no. Oh no. That is poor, man. That is that is poor. To be fair, that's something I'll expect from someone who's been driving less than like 2 days, not from a professional. In quotes, I put that in quotes, from a professional driver. I would not expect that. That is shocking. Eyes. You have 2 of them. You should use them. Ooh.
It was your right away, wasn't it?
No, don't be silly.
Did you see him stick his finger off?
Don't be silly. It's never my right away, Alexi.
Of course it is.
Yeah, it's not. Whatever I do, it's always my fault.
No, it's not. I don't even drive, and I know that.
It's always your fault. It's always your fault. Whenever something happens, it's never their fault, Alex. Remember that when you drive.
Well, no, it's his fault.
No.
It is. What twat, man? He looks so angry and loud. He pointed his finger at you. Ooh.
I let your anger out, innit?
I like how the adult's wearing the hat for the bike, but the child isn't.
The adult was wearing a helmet, but the child wasn't?
Yeah. It's being you now.
Ooh. You could have done that. You could have done that. Ow. Ow. I hurt my finger. Ow.
Oh well, you're getting out now. Why did he do that? Why
I don't know.
didn't he just wait?
Just clap. Just do some clapping. I'll join you. Cheer as well. Hey!
That's just showing now.
Ooh! When they hog the outside lane, it is okay to undertake. Oh, nuts! How do you do that on a straight road, man? How do you do that? Oh dear, what have we got here? Look at the mess that car is making. That's broken. That is very, very broken. Ooh, ouch, that must have hurt. Why are tinted number plates a thing at the moment? I've seen quite a few cars with tinted number plates, and it's not just like a mild tint, it's like a really, really heavy, thick plastering of black film on the back of the number plate. Why is that? Because it don't look cool, does it? It don't look cool at all, it just looks a bit silly. Old bus spotting! I want my car to sound like that, that sounds meaty.
That was close.
Meh. Oh, look at that. BMW parks right in the narrowest part of the road. That's really clever, isn't it? That's like super special.
Yeah, it is super special.
Yes, it is. Are fucking people blind today?
Yeah.
Eh?
Oh,
That's close.
that was stupid, to be fair. That
Yes,
was
that was.
fucking stupid. No, that is not how you do it, Shahers. Shahers driving to school. You're shit. You don't f***ing know the rules, do you? Incompetent little fuckers like this is the reason there are so many bad drivers in the world. You can't have dickheads teaching people how to drive because that's not going to work, is it? Oh, that was loud. That was loud. I think we'll add some text on the screen to explain that one. That was a driving instructor, by the way.
That guy didn't even look.
No, he didn't. He didn't look. Childish. Is it really gonna do that? That's bizarre, man. That is bizarre. When there's a perfectly fine, like, well, not perfectly fine, but there's a same thing on the other side of the road, on the right side of the road. Why go to the opposite side and cause a mess? I don't know. That's weird, man. That is weird. He did say sorry, so I'll let him off. I'll let him off. Alex, can we have some clappage, please? Yes! Baby girl clap. Thank you.
Well, I suppose at least she pulled over to tax.
Alex, you could have stopped there.
Yeah, I know, but at least she pulled over to tax.
Really, you bellend. $10 points? 10 points, anyone? 10 points or 20 points for being so stupid? I like how the big Nissan manages to stay in their lane, but the little Ford does not.
Other six. They were all I don't know where they got on, but they were all getting off at Kingswood to go shopping. And I thought, you know, it must be quite good up here for everybody to be picking it.
Huh? Look at the brake lights. That's wrong. Does anyone know why that happens? Is that like some built-in safety feature type thing of the Vauxhall Vectra? Because I don't know. That to me, that looks like the brake lights are wired up wrong, doesn't it? But is that some sort of thing that happens on Vauxhalls? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know, because that's strange. That is strange. I just realised how badly I explained that, how poorly I questioned that question. What I mean is, like, is it some sort of fail-safe thingy that Vauxhall have done? So if your brake light fails, it uses like the side light bulb as a brake light, like sort of just replaces it temporarily until you can get it fixed. Is that what's happening? Is that, because that's what I'm going with at the moment. That's what I meant to say. Comment. I'm not sure if you would have been able to see that, but driving with a dog on your lap is a bit silly, isn't it? If anyone disagrees and you got like a defence for driving with a dog on your lap, snuggling into the little thing, let me know in the comments, because I don't think there is a defence for that. There is no. That's just stupid. It's stupid. That is disgusting. Ugh. I wonder if that cone is still there when I post this video. Oh, laughter.